Do you have any idea what emojis are like? Emojis that are similar to this. Have you used them before in your message or comments? Well then, it would amaze you to know that you could actually use emojis to actually make a lot of money online. It could very well be an extra $100 to $300 every single day, and all you have to do is click, create, and sell these emojis. In this video, I would show you how to make $2,500 with emojis. Remember the 3 words: click, create, and sell. And you can do this as many times as you want on either your smartphone or your computer. I'll show you how to register and activate your account in just a moment. I'd also guide you through a bunch of real-world examples so you can see precisely how to do it. But you can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Now I would like you to visit the website, FLATICON.com. This is a website where you may earn money by clicking on emojis. As you can see, the homepage offers free access to over 8 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis. Download free icons and stickers for your projects. Resources made by and for designers in a variety of digital formats. When I go down below, you can see all of the icons, as well as pictures and images that we can download for free on this page. I'll also show you how we can use them to generate a lot of money online in just a moment, by simply clicking on the emojis. You can begin your journey on how to make $2,500 with emojis in 2 ways. The first method is by scrolling down to the portion that says, register and activate your account. You would get redirected to a website called FREEPIKCOMPANY.com, a platform where you'll be able to become a contributor by simply uploading and sharing emojis on the site and get paid for it. This is a platform that allows users browse and discover millions of vectors, photos, icons, presentation themes, and online editable templates. As well as designers create any of these without limits. Scrolling down, you can see that alongside FLATICON for emojis, FREEPIK is involved in slides and PowerPoint like template designs, as well as graphic and webpage designs. Head back to the top and select the About Us tab to learn a bit more about what this platform has to offer you and how to make $2,500 with emojis. This is essentially how it works. FREEPIK is a well-known website with over 18 million monthly visitors, 50 million monthly views, 10 million monthly downloads, and 4.5 million graphic resources. Many people visit this website in search of different emojis, clip art icons, and photos, and as a result, we may generate a lot of traffic and exposure for emojis and get compensated for each view and click. FREEPIK has also worked with NASA, Amazon, Spotify, FedEx, Microsoft, and many others. Now, what I want you to do is scroll back to the top and hover over the button that says Projects. In the drop-down menu, select FLATICON. On this page, scroll to the bottom and select Contributor, and then select Join Now. You'll be sent to this registration page where you can create a free account. This website accepts transactions from people from all over the world. Simply enter your username, email address, and password on this page, and then click the Register button. Following that, check your email inbox to confirm that your account has been activated and verified. They'll issue you their license right after you activate your account, which will bring you to this page. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before clicking the green button to accept them. Once you've completed this step, you'll be able to move on to next one, which is creating your profile so you can start your journey on how to make $2,500 with emojis. The first thing you may do is add your profile images. To do so, simply click on the Browse icon right here and select any picture you have on your device. Scroll down to provide more information about yourself. You can enter a public username that you'd like others to see. Simply click on the down arrow in the Country section to select the country you're from or currently in. You can select your preferred language and then go ahead to link up any social media account you have for your professional portfolio and social media. But if you don't have any one of these, just leave it blank and click the Next button. Now we're almost ready to start uploading various emojis in order to get a large number of clicks and income. Before you do that, I recommend that you read the Creator's Handbook. You can click this button to access platform where we can read some instructions on how to start making money on this website. In this video, however, I'll just teach you how to do it, so you can learn just how to make $2,500 with emojis as fast as possible. All you have to do is click the Start Uploading button. Finally, that will take you to your own dashboard on your brand new account. You click on the dashboard to be sent to this page where you can locate your username at the top. You can check how many emojis as icons or packs that you've uploaded on this page, as well as your daily earnings. Moving ahead, we're trying to obtain a large number of free emojis that we can then publish to our website and earn from it. So right now, I want you to go to the link flaticon.com/pattern generator. From there, you'll be directed to this page where you may download FLATICON's free software, which allows you to make various designs and patterns using various emojis. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. But for right now, all you have to do is click on this button that says Try It. This will lead you to the FLATICON Pattern Generator software's homepage. Once again, this is a complete free service that you can use on your computer or on your mobile phone anywhere in the world. You may proceed to step 1, which is search the icons, choose your favorites, and drop them in the workspace. Under the icon section, if you like this icon, you can just click on it and it will appear on the dashboard. As shown here, you can just drag and drop it to wherever you want it, as well as change its size and rotate it. As you can see, there are a lot of various icons and designs to select from. Look at all of the different emojis and unique images that you can include in your design. Finally, under this icon in the background, you can choose from a variety of background colors from your public design. For example, if you like a green design, we can simply click on it and it would appear on your canvas. It is really simple and does not require any technical knowledge or experience. After you finish editing, you can save it to your phone or computer for free. All you have to do is click this button right here that says Download. Now, once you've decided on a PNG format, make sure you follow all the instructions in this video. For the tile size, go ahead and select 1000, while the image size can take 4000 and 2000. Now that you've decided on the format, settings, and size, all you have to do is click on this button right here to download the pattern. You can do this on your phone as well. Once the download is done, I can just click on it to open it up and see a preview. So right now, I'd like to share a bonus tip with you. Click on this search button right here and also click on Random Patterns button right here. And this software will automatically help you generate some random patterns, which are usually very pretty and professional. So if you want the next set of random designs, simply click on this button once more, and it will automatically turn and display various random patterns. So once you've finished designing your emojis and downloaded them to your phone or computer, I want you to return to FLATICON Contributor, log into your account, and click on this button that says My Icons. Now, once you've clicked on Upload, you may drag and drop your file into this box, and it will be uploaded to this website. I'm going to teach you a second extra method on how to make $2,500 with emojis, which is to go to FIVERR.com. Now that you've arrived at this website, you'll be able to search for various online job opportunities. You can do graphical design, writing, video editing, animations, and loads more. There are numerous ways to make money online on FIVERR, but in this video, I want you to concentrate on graphic design. When I click on this button here, under the subcategory of Art and Illustration, I want you to look at this pattern design because it's a whole new category that other people are talking about. We may generate money online without little competition by simply designing different patterns using emojis. So since this is a completely new category with little competition, we can jump right in by following my strategy. There are a lot of people charging different prices in these categories. Let's click on this seller right here. It looks like she's charging $25 for a basic pattern design package. Her price even goes up to $65 for the premium version of this same order. Look at these examples of what we can achieve with the free FLATICON software. So far, she's received 118 reviews from various buyers. So paying a flat fee of $45 per order, multiplied by 118 orders, she could have made over $5,300 from doing something you can easily do yourself using FLATICONs today. You can offer similar services to this seller and start making a lot of money online with emojis today.